In his views, he said that the whole world is nothing but a big rat trap, and it has its never existed for any other purpose means aim. So except existing this world, there is no other aim for this world to exist. कोई दूसरा ऐसा उद्देश्य इस दुनिया का नहीं है then to set baits. Bait. Bait means, my dear, I'm going to tell you bait. Bait. Bait means an allurement. Allurement means that something tempt them. Tempt means लालायित करना, ललचाना, or you can say, what does it mean? Any temptation which tempt them, something that tempt them, something that entice them, कोई ऐसी चीज जो उन्हें ललचाती है, that is called as bait. Got it, dear? So he said that for any other purpose than to set baits for people. So the word, this rat trap is nothing than to tempt all the worldly human beings. रेड ट्रैप सेलर के अनुसार जो पूरी दुनिया है वो सिवाय एक चूहेदानी के कुछ भी नहीं है. एंड व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ दिस चूहेदानी? द पर्पस ऑफ दिस रेड ट्रैप इज टू सेट बेट्स, इज टू सेट अल्योरमेंट, इज टू टेम्प्ट. टेम्प्ट मीन्स लालायित करना, लोगों के मन को ललचाना इस रेड ट्रैप का काम है, ना कि कुछ और. सो व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट? देन इट सेड it offered riches and joys. Riches and joys means all, you can say, materialistic. This is LIS. Materialistic comforts. What is that? Money. What is that? All luxurious things which make human being in a comfort zone, you can say. Everything जो कि एक इंसान को बड़े कंफर्टेबल मोड में लेकर आती है. सो एवरीथिंग वो क्या कहता है, देखिए, इट ऑफर्ड रिचेस एंड जॉयज, इट टेम्प्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग बाय टेम्पटिंग देम with money, joys with happiness, shelter, shelter होता है something, the place to live in, for to spend some time, आश्रय जिसे आप बोलते हैं my dear, food that is to eat, heat and clothing. And to plus two Saffron, Ankit, don't annotate on the screen, your name is being shown, my dear. So the next is, my dear, red trap offered cheese. So exactly as the red trap offered cheese, heat and clothing, these are the things that all human beings get in this world. And because of this, anyone have little bit, anyone have more. कहने का मतलब क्या है कि कुछ लोगों के पास पैसा, धन दौलत, खाना पीना, कपड़े ज्यादा हैं, कुछ के पास कम है. तो एग्जैक्टली एज द रेड ट्रैप offered cheese and pork, in the same way, just like if we want to trap a mouse, अगर हम उस रेट ट्रैप में एक चूहे को फंसाना चाहते हैं तो वी हैव टू ऑफर अ पीस ऑफ चीज और अ पीस ऑफ पोर्क. पोर्क होता है बेटा द फ्लैश ऑफ अ pig, okay, that is used as food. So that is pork. So he said that in the same way. See, on one side, the peddler is looking out the world, another world, he is comparing the world with the rat trap. So he said that just like in the world, we have riches, joys, happiness. In another word, you can say shelter, food, heat, clothing, to entice, to tempt, ललचाने के लिए किसको? ह्यूमन बीइंग को. In the same way, rat trap has cheese and pork to tempt mouse, or in another word you can say rat. तो कहता है एक तरफ दुनिया में ह्यूमन बीइंग को, रैट किसको कहा गया, ह्यूमन बीइंग को ललचाने के लिए जैसे चूहेदानी में मांस का टुकड़ा और साथ में चीज के पीस रखे जाते हैं, उसी तरह से दुनिया में सारे मटीरियलिस्टिक जो कंफर्ट्स हैं वो ह्यूमन बीइंग को ललचाने के लिए रखे गए हैं। तो आपको ये फिलोसफिकल आइडिया समझ में आया? आर यू गेटिंग दिस आइडिया दैट हाउ डज द रेड ट्रैप थिंक अबाउट द वर्ल्ड? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So,
Yes.
okay, now let me proceed with the next line, my dear. This is as soon as anyone let himself be tempted. अब देखिए, consider this anyone. Consider this, let me discuss with this anyone. I don't know what's going on in the screen. Okay, this is anyone. Who is this anyone? Who is enticed? That human being who is enticed. Got it? वो इंसान जो लालच में फंस जाता है. Got it dear? Then the next is let himself be tempted to touch the bait. जो इस दुनियादारी के materialistic ट्रैप में फंस जाता है. Who got entrapped himself or herself in this materialistic comforts of this world, that is trapped into this rat trap. वो इंसान इस चूहेदानी में फंस के रह जाता है और वो लालच में आ जाता है कि इस बेट को वो छुए, उस लालच जो चीज उसको ललचा रही है उसको वो पाने की कोशिश करे. एंड एज सुन एज इट क्लोज्ड इन ऑन हिम, understand beta, in preposition that is used with close in, it means trapped in, to take something inside. Okay, and next is on him means the person is inside the trap. तो जैसे ही वो इंसान उस लालच में फंस जाता है वैसे ही चूहेदानी का दरवाजा बंद हो जाता है और उसे अपने अंदर क्या कर लेता है, ट्रैप कर लेता है. So the overall, the you can say the conclusion is, and then everything came to an end. And then everything came to an end means whatever the purpose of his life, it seems to him that everything is ended up in his or her life. Sometimes take the example of, in the same way, if someone commits the mistake and because of the mistake everything is done up in his life, he or she starts thinking that his or her life is in a ending situation. In the same way, the writer, the peddler wants to say, what does they want to say? That you can say, if someone is, if someone is trapped into the materialistic things of the world, he started thinking that his line or his life is in a ending situation. Ending situation means he has nothing to do. Why? Because his or her freedom is lost. Got it dear? So the question becomes from this paragraph is, why did the peddler think that the world was a rat trap? I repeat the question, why did the peddler think that the world was a rat trap? And the answer would be, this question would be, the peddler thought that the world was a rat trap. Why? Because he has, because he has discovered some similarities between the world and the rat trap. He was amused at the idea. He was a rat trap seller and he fancied that, one important line, he fancied that, what is that? The world was, what was the world? The world was a rat trap and the temptation, what does it refer? You can say all the luxurious things All the temptations are baits. Got dear? And what are the human beings? All the people are rats. Got it, dear? So this was the question and the answer to this. The next one is the world had, of course, never been very kind to him. Now he started thinking in a different aspect of that. What was that? That you can say the world had never been kind to him. दुनिया के लोगों ने he had been never treated he had been never treated kindly by the worldly human being. दुनियादार में दुनिया वाले लोगों ने उसे कभी भी kindly treat नहीं किया. They had always been rude to him, harsh to him, in another word you can say. So he had never received a welcome tone from anyone whomsoever he met in the world. So next one is, and it gave him unwanted means, my dear, you can say unaccustomed. Unwanted means, I'm writing the meaning. This is, my dear, unaccustomed. In another word, unaccustomed. Unaccustomed means unusual, if in simple language you want to. And in Hindi, if you want to learn, this is अस्वाभाविक. जो abnormal नजर आता है, जो कॉमन नहीं है, जो बड़ा अटपटा लगता है, that is unaccustomed. Unwanted joy, to think ill of it in this way. Now the question will be from here, why does it give him an unwanted joy to think ill of the world in this way? उसे दुनिया के बारे में इस तरह बुरा सोच सोच के क्यों मजा आता है? Why? Because the people in the world never welcomed him. He had never got a good welcome from anyone. That is why, or you can say, the world had never been kind to him. So it gave him an unwanted joy to think ill of the world, and he started thinking about the world in this manner. Got it, beta, this answer? Okay, so I got the response that they got. So the next line is, my dear, rather, yes, 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 beta, speak up, Isha. Hmm. बिल्कुल, तभी तो देखिए कुछ ऐसे लोग होते हैं, किस तरह के अनवांटेड, मैंने आपको क्या बताया, अनकस्टम्ड, जिसकी उसे आदत ही नहीं थी, जिसको उसे अनयूजुअल, अस्वाभाविक, जो बिल्कुल हटके था, अदम्य जिसे बोलते हैं, और जॉय मीन्स खुशी, उसको खुशी मिल रही थी. क्यों मिली उसको खुशी? क्योंकि दुनिया के लोगों ने कभी भी उसके लिए ना अच्छा सोचा, ना अच्छा किया, ना उससे कभी अच्छे से बात की. ठीक है, तो जिस दुनिया ने, हाँ जी बोलो, तो उसे खुशी, सुनो सुनो, उसको उसको तो अच्छे से ट्रीट नहीं किया, लेकिन उसी दुनिया के बारे में वो बुरा बुरा सोच रहा है कि देखो ये सारे लोग जो इतने खुश हो रहे हैं, ये भी तो चूहे की तरह हैं, ये भी तो चूहे की तरह इस चूहेदानी में कभी ना कभी लालच में फंसेंगे, और इनकी भी तो आजादी खत्म होगी, जैसे चूहे की फ्रीडम खत्म हो जाती है इनसाइड द रेट ट्रैप. तो वो बुरा बुरा सोच के खुश है उस दुनिया के बारे में, बेटा, समझ में आया? ठीक है, हाँ, अच्छा, अच्छा नहीं सोच रहा है, वो खुद खुश है, किस लिए? दैट ही इज थिंकिंग इल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, कि वो दुनिया के बारे में बुरा सोच रहा है. ठीक है, आगे बढ़िए. आगे जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ से और बनेगा आपका प्रीवियस पैराग्राफ. फ्रॉम वेयर डिड द पेडलर गेट द आइडिया ऑफ वर्ल्ड बीइंग अ रेट ट्रैप? वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एनसीईआरटी फोल्डर क्वेश्चन. आई रिपीट द क्वेश्चन, फ्रॉम वेयर डिड from where did the peddler, peddler and the red trap seller both are same idea, from where did the peddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap. Got it? And the answer to this question you can attempt in this way, that the peddler got the idea of world being rat trap through through his meditation. मेडिटेशन मीन्स टू थिंक डीपली ऑन समथिंग, गहराई से जब वो विचार कर रहा था, ध्यान में मगन था, चलते चलते अकेला, देन ही स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग, सो थ्रू the idea, through his meditation, he got the idea of world being a rat trap. And you know, the rat trap peddler, he started thinking himself a philosopher. I would post the notes of these two questions as well in your group. And he was really very happy just now, whatever we had discussed. He was really very happy to think ill of the world and think that the world acts as a rat trap, and these temptations are what? Riches, joys, food, and everything. These are the baits. These are the baits, you can say, for the worldly human being. Okay, so let's go for the next line. This says, my dear, became a cherished pastime. Cherished, you can write down the meaning of cherished. Cherished means held as dear. Cherished means very lovely, that is very, you can say, near and dear, near dear ones, near to heart, जो उसके दिल के बहुत करीब था. So understand this expression, my dear, became a cherished pastime of his. ये उसका सबसे मज़ेदार और मनोरंजक समय व्यतीत करने का, this pastime, to pass the time, pastime system बन गया. Whenever he was without work, whenever he keeps on plodding on the road alone, whenever he starts thinking about life, he always started thinking ill of the world. ये उसका सबसे मजेदार पास टाइम बन गया था, क्या? टू थिंक अबाउट दिस फिलोसफिकल आइडिया ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. द नेक्स्ट लाइन इज प्लॉडिंग टू, प्लॉडिंग मीन्स बेटा वॉकिंग, वॉकिंग लेबर से बना है, लेबोरियसली. आई रिपीट द स्पेलिंग, LABOURIOUSLY, laboriously. So laboriously means efforts करके, without, sorry, with hard work. So when he, okay, we are running out of the time, so I have to stop with this expression only, beta. During many dreary ploddings, you only write the meaning. Dreary, dreary means, my dear, dull and gloomy. We will discuss about this